Hindi aksidente na nakita mo ang video ko na ito. Hello, by the way, my name is Eileen, one of the admin here in Online Business Academy. Kagaya mo rin ako dati, nag-i-scroll din at nanonood lang din ng mga shorts video clips dito sa TikTok or sa Facebook. Meron ako nakita isang online platform. At first, hesitant ako at doubtful. Pero ang ginawa ko, nag-attend po ako sa online orientation ng Online Business Academy at doon ko nalaman at naintindihan ano kaganda ang platform ng Online Business Academy. By the way, ang ginagawa pala dito, mag-set lang ng appointment, mag-reply, mag-assess ng business inquiries from local to international clients. Gamit lamang ang cellphone at stable internet connection at yung user ID ng Online Business Academy or ng OBA. So kung gusto mong malaman kung paano, like and share this video, drop your location and don't forget to follow me para ma-prioritize kita. See you!